Hello and welcome to a video on FiberMesh Presets. In this video I want to cover how the grass and the flowers were made for this scene using ZBrush presets for FiberMesh. Let's start by turning everything off but our ground. I'm also going to turn off my color information for the ground and drop it to the lowest subdivision level. As you can see here, it has 7. So I'm going to drop that to level 1. I'm going to drop this to level 1 because I want to use masking to control where my grass is growing, and because I'm on a lower level, when I blur my mask, I'm going to have a very strong transition from no mask to lighter mask. As you can see here, as I blur the mask, there is a very strong change, and then I can pick and choose where to be more grass or less grass. So it's really a great way to control how I want my grass to grow. The advantage to this is where there is less of a mask, we'll have shorter and smaller grass blades. Where there is more of a mask, we'll have more grass blades. So let's open up Lightbox, and in our Fiber menu we have some presets. Let's scroll all the way to the right and grab the grass that was used for that scene. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this grass. You're going to see these little green spots that are showing up. Now this plane is a rather large plane, so what I'm going to need to do so we can really see our grass is just come into here into our FiberMesh presets and start making them be a little bit longer. And you can see as I make them longer, there's more grass growing. And you'll also take note where there is less masking, there is less of grass blades, and also you can see they're a lot smaller. So we can add some more or take some more away. It creates a really quick way to create some grass. Let's go ahead and accept those, and let's make the flowers. So in our subtool palette, because I've accepted those, the grass is put right below my ground plane. Let's go back into our Lightbox and grab the flowers. Now with the grass selected, I want the flowers that grow on the grass. So here's my preset for my flowers. I'm going to go ahead and double click those and go into my FiberMesh subpalette. And let's up the coverage just a bit so you can start seeing the flowers coming in. We'll probably put less flowers and then change our coverage. And you can see how quickly we can make a scene with grass with flowers. Once I've accepted that, we want to now put the tall grass in. So let's go ahead and again open up our Lightbox and scroll all the way to the right in the Lightbox, and you'll see a preset for tall weeds. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that and come into our FiberMesh and start changing the length of that so we get taller grass with our scene. You can see how easy, with just a couple presets, that we can create some really interesting vegetation and grass. And that's how we created the grass for that scene. Thank you for watching this video, and please continue to watch more on pixelogic.com.